dear friends, this is Tereza from Healthy Avocatto channel. Me and my husband Michael, who is mostly behind the camera, have a wish that our videos will bring benefits to all of you and help promote the quality of life. Today I will show you one technique of how to use a kinesiology tape to support the stability of your knee. In my experience, the most important thing for taping the knee is the position the knee has during the application of kinesiology tape. So to support the stability of the knee, we will be mostly interested in supporting the axis of the knee. Therefore, we will use a special position for application of the tape. We have already talked about such a position for a knee and foot in videos for supporting the function of feet while standing here and while walking here. So don't forget to watch these videos so that you don't miss the context why we will apply the tape for the knee in this position. So let's do it together. To measure the length of the strap of the tape, you can sit down and measure the strap from below the knee, over the knee, and do the first third of your tight. And then cut the tape with sharp scissors. It is important not to forget to cut all the corners of the tape so that the tape does not peel off easily from your skin. Then we have to take a special position for the application so that we will support the knee axis for the load as much as possible. Stand up and place the lower limb you want to apply the tape on in the front for about 2 of your steps. Transfer about half of your weight to this front leg and place your leg so that the foot points straight. The knee is right above the ankle, so you can see your toes in front of the knee, and the kneecap points to your 4th toe. This is very important because there is often a deviation from the axis, so the knee points inwards from the foot and it is not suitable for the load. We will apply the tape in this position. Now carefully tear the paper a little before the beginning of the tape and try to touch the glue side of the tape as little as you can. We start to apply the tape to the skin a few centimeters below the knee on its outside almost horizontally. Remove the paper from the beginning of the tape and apply it to the skin without stretching and smooth it with your fingers. The rest of the tape will therefore point to the inside of the knee. Then pull on the tape and stretch it for 50 to 75% and apply it to the inside of the knee and continue applying up to the thigh, again towards the outside of the thigh. And we will apply the end of the tape again without stretching. And that's all. You can see the application of this tape is super easy. It is just important to keep a corrected lower limb position during the application. You can also combine these techniques with other knee kinesio taping techniques. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like this video, you can support us with like, comment, and don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss other physio tips and tricks on Healthy Avocatto channel. Bye!